What up, everybody? This your boy Dez here to bring you another video on the Honda Accord 2020 Sport. I know it's been some time since I posted my last video, but I done one other mod to the vehicle since then, and that was installed a Injen Cold Air Intake or short ram intake. And to me, my thoughts is that it's amazing for right now. Like it's the performance of it and the sound of it is just amazing. Like even when I try to be quiet on it, it won't be. You can still hear the pull, you can still hear the pulling of the air that goes through it, and it gives me about, like, I don't know exactly how much horsepower it gives me, but I think I want to say around like 8 or mostly like 10, but I haven't gotten it dyno tested just yet. Other things I need to do on this car is a K-tune and a catted down pipe that I want to put on it as well to give it a lot more horsepower, and maybe some electrical wires probably be changed, but that's in the future. Sorry, once again, definitely sorry for the late post from back then. I know it's been a minute since my last post, but today I definitely have another mod to bring to you guys, and that's the Injen short ram intake, and I'm finna show it to you guys right quick. Excuse the wind, and I'm working from my phone for right now, so you gotta take a little minute from it. That's it right now. Injen Cold Air Intake, and I got it from Summit. Shout out to Summit as well too. I got it from them, and they ordered it and they kept me posted on when my shipment is supposed to get here. And basically it was like, I want to say a month and a half, because I had to get it shipped from California. So obviously from Summit, ordering it from them, it came from them basically. So, but once again, yeah, it's the short ram Injen Cold Air Intake. And me, I did the installment on my own, and I should have got a video of that as well too, so in case anybody else looking to see how I installed it. It's basically self-explanatory. You will need some cutters, some wire cutters when you do this, when you have the heat resistant mod on it. This is to stop it from like kind of overheat a little bit. Probably cut those two little pieces right there, and then in the fold in the middle piece as well. When you hook it up, it's basically self-explanatory. Shouldn't take you no more than, like, I want to say, for me it took me like 40 minutes. But yeah, guys, this is basically it. Basically all the mod I did to it. Once again, I want to do a catted down pipe that I seen with other YouTubers with the same type of car that I have, maybe a year younger or a couple of years younger or whatever, you know. But basically, yeah, I want to probably put a HKS blow-off valve and a catted down pipe. And I already got, everybody else know I already have my Magnum Flow exhaust, and with this and the Magnum Flow, it's just awesome to me, guys. I can't even much like fake it. I didn't think that I would be pulling the way that I'm pulling. My girl, she noticed a difference as well too. So further ado, I'm gonna let y'all guys hear it, and then I'm gonna drive and let you guys hear it on sport once I drive. And once again, I'm working from my phone, so you guys got to give me a second right quick if you don't mind. All right, now we're in the car. I'm finna do a couple of rims for you, and you'll be able to hear it. You guys, to me it sounds pretty good to me. I can't like explain it no better than what I'm doing for right now. So one more pull, and then I'm gonna basically take it on a drive, let you hear how the way it pulls with the exhaust as well too. You can actually hear the exhaust a little bit better now that I got the cold air intake in it. It's helping the car breathe a lot better. I have seen another videos about the drop-in K&N air filter is better. To me, it's all about your choice as well too. That's just basically my theory about how you tune your car and everything, and how the way you mod it and the coilovers and everything, all that plays an effect in it. So for right now, I'm just kind of showing you guys, starting with the basics and going on from there. Definitely surprised. So once again, you guys, please like and subscribe to this video, and yeah, finna do a couple of pulls. Thank you.